One of the things I really like about these knives, it's a solid blade. It runs all the way through the handle. And it's got some little hangers there on the end if you need that. Hey guys, I got gifted a knife set here. We're gonna get it unboxed, check them out, and then try them out. So stick around. These are from we'll say BOMASS, B-O-M-A-S-S, BOMASS. Got some little specs here on the back. I'll take a picture of those and show it to you right here, rather than trying to read all that off. Okay, let's see what we have here. Safety precautions in the lid of the box. And the paperwork here. Ooh, these are cool looking. Those are really sharp. I'll bring that camera up closer and show you the little design on there too, in just a moment. Yep. What do you think about those? Those are some nice looking knives, aren't they? It's got this roughness, I guess what you'd call it. I don't really know what you call it, but it's not smooth like the blade. From my understanding, it is to help when you're slicing all the way through stuff to keep it from sticking to the blade. That's my understanding. I'm not a chef, I don't know. Okay guys, I got me a nice thick ham steak in there. We're fixing to try this knife out on it and see how well it'll slice through there. All right. That smells good. Check that out. Now, we'll see how good this knife does. A little bit overkill for this, but hey, it gets the job done. Look at that. See how well that other knife cuts, the smaller one. It's a little easier to handle here on this small of meat. Got the little finger hole right there and the thumb thing right there. Hold it like that if you want. Thought this might be easier to cut around it. Oh man, look at that. Cuts that ham right up. Not a problem. Wow, that is sharp. Good looking knives, and they're sharp too. Cutting this up because I'm going to use part of it in like a breakfast burrito. Actually, I may just make me a regular burrito out of it. It'd be pretty good. Cube it up here. Wow. I am impressed. Yeah, I don't even need that fork. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to save the rest of that for sandwiches. I'd say that is a nice, sharp knife. Both of them. This one and the bigger one. The real big one, I don't have nothing to cut up with it, but that one definitely gets the job done. Definitely a thumbs up. I like these knives. If you'd like to order some for yourself, I'll put a link down in the description where you can do so. Also, I'm going to put a link down in the description to a playlist of other kitchen products that you might be interested in. You might want to check it out. If you got any value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.